Your feet are one of the most important parts of your body, and they go through a lot throughout the day. So why not give them the care they deserve? Introducing Etekcity's Shiatsu foot massager. Just kick off your shoes and slide your feet into the foot massager. Lean down and choose from 3 different massage modes to find the perfect massage for your weary feet. You can also choose between 3 different intensity levels. Choose from low, medium, and high air pressure levels to find the right balance for a relaxing massage. It also features a heating function that helps your muscles loosen up and relax. You can also control the foot massager directly from your smartphone. That way, you don't have to bend down every time you want to change a setting. When you're done, you can save all your favorite settings in the VSync app. Just tap the heart icon at the top right to save your current settings, and access them by tapping the Favorites tab. You can also set a timer so your foot massager automatically turns off after 15, 20, or 25 minutes. No matter what your feet go through, you can find sweet relief by using Etekcity's Shiatsu foot massager.